let's edit by using the selection tool. Here we will pick up the selection. So I have selected that, and now go to the selection and edit. In this method we will only edit that selected part of the image, adding some exposure here, contrast, highlights as well, vibrance, saturation here. So that's the image. Now apply the gradient on it. So for the further we will use the eraser tool on it, so we can remove by using history brush tool. We have hide whole image and get back as well in a similar situation, as you can see. So that was the tutorial about the tool.